Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Safari suggestions in Safari search on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on settings. Then in the settings page, we scroll down and in here tap on Safari. So we go down, then tap on Safari. Next, in here, go down to the search section and then tap on Safari suggestions. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.